Hey guys, just a quick update. So I'm just gonna do a bunch of little videos like this as I go because it'll just be easier for me. I'm just using my phone anyway. So this is the Dakota. This came out of a 95 Dakota. It had the 3.90 gear ratio. I just have it sitting in some mineral spirits, soaking, clean it up. It does have the ABS ring on it, but I don't think that'll be an issue. There'll be plenty of room. What I do have here is the housing out of the dart. I took it to the car wash, pressure washed it off. That's my favorite place to make this mess anyway. What else can I say? So this had the 245 gear ratio in it. There was some debate, or some, from what I can see online anyway, when I was trying to research it, that this housing was different. But from what I can tell, that is not the case. So this is the 245 gear ratio. So the only thing that you need to know is I think from 76 on, from what I can research, had different side bearings, and they are either 306, 3.006 inches, or 2.89 inches for the earlier stuff. Other than that, I took the pinions apart. All those bearings are the same, front and back. And I will be using a crush sleeve, just like the factory did. I guess that's about it. I think the only thing I'm going to keep are the backing plates and some of the hardware, because I don't have any hardware, and the diff vent. And then that housing is garbage, I guess. We'll get rid of it. What else was I thinking? Oh yes, the rims. I painted them. I thought the car was QQ1 color, which is like a electric blue. It is not, quite evidently. So you can see a color difference when you get the rims up to the car. So I have to either take a part off the car that is blue and take it in and get it paint matched properly, or figure out this paint code, which I don't think is a very easy thing to do, because I don't think it's exactly factory. So I'll probably either drive the car there or take something off that can go there. And then we'll get to find out how much extra ride height is added just by adding the 15-inch tires from where it is. It sits very low. The front end is lowered so it doesn't look ridiculous driving down the road. But I'm hoping to bring everything up. So then we'll figure out, once a new diff is in, how much ride height is added to the super stock springs. All right, guys, like I said, so this is just going to be a quick video format, and this is what I'm going to do for the next little bit. A couple little clips here and there just to show progress once I get the bearing kit in. Then we'll show that assembly. All right, guys, take care.